Hello, my name is Griffin, and I am a peer mentor at Chandler Gilbert Community College. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an appointment through Cranium Cafe. Cranium Cafe is a scheduling and conference tool used to connect with services at CGCC. To access Cranium Cafe, go to cgc.craniumcafe.com/login. Before you can log in to your Cranium Cafe account, you need to agree to Chandler Gilbert's informed consent statement regarding FERPA. FERPA stands for the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, and is a federal law that protects the privacy of student educational records. Once you have read and understand the statement, click on the green Agree button at the bottom right-hand corner. Keep in mind that you will not be able to continue to the login if you do not agree with the statement. Click on the canvas icon to log in to Cranium Cafe using your MEID and password. After you have applied to be a student at Chandler Gilbert, you will receive your MEID. Your MEID begins with the first 3 letters of your first name and is followed by 7 numbers. As a student, you will use your MEID and password for pretty much everything, from accessing grades and class information on campus to your Maricopa email and Student Center. Once you have entered your correct MEID and password, click on the blue Authorize button to complete your login into Cranium Cafe. If you are not currently enrolled as a student at the college, you will need to log in using the guest registration process. Be sure to contact Chandler Gilbert for more information. Once you are logged in to your Cranium Cafe account, you will now be able to schedule a meeting with faculty and staff. When creating an appointment, you have the option to select the meeting location, such as video, phone, or in person. Video meetings are held through Cranium Cafe. You will receive a link through your Maricopa email to the meeting. Click on the link at the appropriate time. Keep in mind that access to a computer or mobile device with a webcam is recommended for a video meeting. A phone meeting will take place over a phone call. It will not have the face-to-face video conversation. An in-person appointment can be made by selecting the campus or location for the meeting. Due to ongoing circumstances, this feature is currently unavailable. Upon making an appointment, you will receive a confirmation email that will contain your meeting details. The meeting will then take place at that location and time. Now that you have chosen a meeting location, you can select the reason for your meeting. There are only a handful of preset reasons for meetings, so you might not find a reason that exactly matches the topic of your appointment. That said, be sure to choose the most appropriate reason for your visit. Next, select a meeting date. Then, choose a time that works best for you from the available options. Clicking on the blue Show More button will provide you with all the available timing options for your meeting date. Finally, fill out the intake form. This helps us to determine the best way to assist you. Once the form is complete, click on the blue Schedule Appointment button. You are now ready to attend your Cranium Cafe appointment. To access your meeting information on Cranium Cafe, click on the orange logo tab at the left side of your screen and select My Cafe Appointments. You will be redirected to a page displaying your meeting information and link. The same meeting information will be sent to your Maricopa email account. Should you need to cancel your meeting for any reason, simply click on the red Cancel button at the bottom right corner. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I wish you the best of luck on your upcoming semester at CGCC. Please remember to message Student Success at cgc.edu with any questions. Thank you.